What's up, guys? Have you ever wondered how you can actually catch the trends and get the perfect timing for all your trades? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple trend-based strategy that you can use to make consistent profits in the market. We're going to be starting from $150 and we're going to be aiming to make that up to something around $6,000, guys. Stick with me. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get right into the video, guys. So guys, today we're on the pocket option platform and we're aiming to increase our balance from $150 to something around $6,000. And I've already selected all the currency pairs with the best chart movements and also the best payment percentages. So for today, we're going to be using two simple principles, guys, for entering all our trades. We're going to be going with the trend or against the trend. And for against the trend, we're going to be trading the pullback. And we'll be using the alligator and the zigzag indicators. Both of them are going to be set to the default settings. For the 1 minute trades, we're not going to change anything. And yeah, that's it for our setup, guys. Let's get right into it. So guys, let's get into it. Our first trade, we're going to open a long right here. And we can see we're following the trend on this one as well because it's an uptrend. But let me just zoom in a bit and I'll explain the technical analysis behind that. So as we can see, the market has updated the local minimum and we can expect price to have a pullback right around there. So we're expecting price to pull back and go back into that zone. So that was the principle for this trade, guys. Around 20 seconds left. Let's see how it goes. Nice guys. Okay, so we're in profit. That was the first trade of the day and we're starting out strong. Let's see how it goes. Let me just update that amount so to 282 and let's go to the next trade. Okay guys, so we're taking a sell here. And as we can see, the market is in a downtrend. We can see the local maximum has been updated. Yeah, we can see we're in a downtrend. The local maximum has been updated right here. And so we can expect price to go further down. We can also see if we zoom in a bit closer that the alligator lines have also crossed, which is also signaling a downtrend. Yes, okay. And yeah, that's the reason we took this trade, guys. So let's see how it goes. About 10 seconds left, guys. Sweet, guys. So we're in profit again. Okay, that's 2 in a row. Let's update the amount. And yeah, let's look for the next trade, guys. Okay, so we took a buy here, guys. We took a long order here. And for this, we're following the zigzag. So we can see that... okay, let me just select that. 1 second. Okay, so we can see that the local minimum has been updated. The market has updated the local minimum. And so we can expect price to go up after the local minimum has been updated. And we can also look over here and look at the alligator lines. They're also crossing, which is also signaling a reversal. And so now, even better, we can see the price crossing over the alligator lines, which is just a stronger confirmation for this trade. We have about 10 seconds left. Let's see how it goes, guys. Sweet. So we're in profit again, guys. So that's 3 in a row. Right now we're almost at $1,000. We started from $150, and basically we're just monitoring the zigzag, guys. So we use the zigzag to get the trend, and anytime the local minimum or the maximum is updated, we can expect price to go in a different direction. Coupled with the help of the indicator, we're able to get the best entry. Let me update that amount and we can go to the next trade, guys. Okay guys, we took a sell of the year, and as we can see, we're actually in an uptrend, but we're going to be trading the pullback. So we can see that there is a previous touch point over here, and price is right now making, or rather updating, the local maximum. We can expect price to pull back after entering this resistance zone. For this particular trade, we didn't use the help of the alligator lines. We just trained the zigzag and trying to get the pullback. Nice guys, nice. That was good. I was a bit, worried at first because it wasn't moving, but yeah, we got that at the end. So yeah, just as I said, the touch point, the previous touch points, and then as you can see, price is also making, updating the local maximum over there. So yeah, we just traded the pullback. That's how the pullback strategy works. And yeah, that was good. Let's go to the next trade, guys. Let me just update the amount. So I'm gonna do $858. So guys, we're taking a 2 buy orders here, and the logic for this is also following the trend. We can see, so let me zoom that in a bit for you guys. So we can see over here the moving averages, they crossed over here, which is signaling a very strong bullish trend. And if we check over here, we can also see that there is a strong resistance level right here. You can see the previous touch points, and so we can expect price to go to retest those areas before going down, and that's why I took the trade. So price is trying to make or rather update the local maximum at those previous touch point areas. Sweet guys, so we have another profit and we're currently at 3,000. That's nice. I'm gonna just change that to $1,000 and then we'll take the next trade, guys. So you can see, guys, the strategy is not something difficult. You just have to have a sharp eye and be quick to respond to the market. Okay guys, we have a short order here. As you can see, the market is on a downtrend, and so we're following the trend on this one. Yeah, if we check overall, yeah, so I went a bit back and just checked, it's a downtrend overall, so we're following the trend. That's the first thing. And then yes, so we can see the previous touch point areas over here. The market has updated the local minimum, and so it went back inside that level, and so we can expect it to go further down. Checking the alligator lines, we can also see them far apart and facing down. That's a strong signal to go short. So that's why we took the short on this one, guys. Awesome, guys. So yeah, we're in profit again, and this is actually exciting. I mean, I use this strategy all the time, but anytime I see the money, it also excites me a lot. Yeah, so we're roughly around $5,000, guys. 5,800 actually, to be precise. Anyways, let's check for the next trade. Okay guys, we just took another trade, and the principle, it's kind of similar to the last trade. Let me just try to explain that a bit for you guys. We can see over here the market is on a downtrend, and we can see the previous touch point over there, and the market has updated the local minimum. It entered the level, and now we can expect it to go further down because we're in a downtrend. You know, if you follow the zigzag, you can see it. It just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It made a lower high, and now we're expecting a lower low. Also looking at the alligator lines, are also far apart. and facing down, which is also a strong bearish sign. But let's see how it goes. So some of our trades actually didn't go through, and it's because, you know, the market has been very volatile today. You can tell from the wicks. So we had a loss here, but yeah, I mean, it happens sometimes. We do make losses. It's just the truth of trading. But, you know, with proper risk management, you can still make a win overall if you have a high win rate. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna be done because the market is very volatile right now and it'll be hard to predict future moves. I'm gonna just lock in my profits and we can call it a day, guys. So I'm going ahead to withdraw. Okay, tether 6,700. Yep, so my withdrawal has been processed. Sweet. Nice. Okay, guys. Yeah, that was good. So as you can see, guys, with just a very simple trend-based strategy, we're able to turn $150 all the way to $6,000. I know it's crazy, yeah. If you have some trouble with technical analysis and you need like some support, you can make sure to check my Telegram group. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and basically there you're going to have exclusive access to live trading signals and also more expert analysis. So make sure to check that out if you need some help trading. And that's all for today, guys. Happy trading and take care. Bye.